everyone. Look at this guy. His name is Uncle Chow. Look at him. He looks like a businessman with a red shirt and blue pants. He has a very smooth hair and a black suitcase. He has two faces. This is his first face, and this is the face where he looks like he is chewing a hot dog. The second character is Monkey Kid, the main character of this cartoon. He's a delivery boy at Pigsy Noodles. He has a food stain on his shirt and a pen to take order. He has a logo of Pigsy Noodles on the right, and he has one at the back too. Of course, he has two faces as well. These two characters are bad guys. One of them is Snore and the other one is Grunt. Their clothes, that's why they're the same. One of them has a chain to steal the peach, which is in this box, and the other one has two weapons. One of them is here and the other one is here. Dows. Sorry, bite. Ooh, look, there's a peach inside. Whoever can read Chinese could probably read this. And now we're up to the main character of the set, Pigsy!
I need workers, soldiers in the army of Pigsy's Noodles, home of the world's longest noodles. How else am I going to expand my business in the enemy territory?
So, as you can see here, he has a typical chef outfit, and at the back, he has a Pigsy's Noodle logo. He's holding a weapon. It is called a rake, and there's a towel over his shoulders. Probably it's for him to wipe his well when he's cooking. Hold on. Now, did you know that Pigsy's name in Vietnamese in the old version, his name is Chu Bác Nhới?
Sư huynh, vừa nãy 2 triệu đồng đã mời sư phụ, nhưng sư phụ không dám ăn. Tôi ăn trước nhé. Sư huynh. Tạ sư đệ ăn cái gì đấy? Quả nhân sâm chứ còn cái gì nữa. Ngộ Tĩnh, cứ mặc nó. Người đã ăn hết rồi, còn đòi cái gì nữa? Lúc nãy để ăn nhanh quá nên không biết mùi vị nó như thế nào. Không biết có hạt hay không, không biết có nhân hay không.
And the character right here is not from the set at all. It is a gift. I'm not really sure what its name because it's not even a character. It's just a mech so characters can hop in and then control it. And now we're finally up to the food truck. Can you see anything special around this whole food truck? This thing could go up and down. And do you know it's a copy of this thing right here? This is called a rake. Each of the wheel have one spike on them. And the back also has spikes, but not just 2, it has 3. So it's more like a weapon truck. Now let me open the side. Da 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 da. Before we look inside the truck, we're gonna look at the front. Surprise! There is no machine, just 2 sausages that we could eat. This could also be taken off.
Mẹ nhìn thấy rồi nè, đằng trước này không có máy móc gì hết mà 2 cây sausage, 2 cây xúc xích để nướng xúc xích. Chỗ này được 2 người ngồi hả?
Yes. And if you want use this as the lid for this, you can. Well, it's kind of hard because it's quite little.
Ok.
Here.
Ok. Rồi sao mà tài xế đi vô ngồi được, có cái cửa hai bên có mở được không?
Yes, the doors on two of the side could open. Yeah, there's some ladder here so you can walk up on the ladder. And yay, we're up.
Ồ, trên hai cái cánh cửa xe mở ra có chữ tàu gì nè, màu trắng trắng nè.
It says câu lão chu miên quán. Nó nghĩa là tiệc mì lão chu. And this one is called mẹ quay chu son.
Nghĩa là gì vậy?
It means youngest food.
Ok, bây giờ mình nhìn coi đồ ăn có gì nha. Đâu menu ở đâu đâu?
It's supposed to be here. Sorry, I mistakes.
Ok. Đâu, menu đâu con chỉ coi.
Well, it's better if you just see it this way.
Ok, nó có bán mì nè,
Noodles, sausages, and
bánh bao nữa nè.
bánh bao.
Bánh bao thì $2 nè, sausage thì $5 nè, mì 10 đô nè.
Can you see this glowing red thingy? It says chili sauce. And this is vinegar.
Hai bên cạnh là bánh bao hả?
Yes, these two things here is pow.
Ok. Ủa đằng kia có cái gì vậy? Hai con dao hả? Hay gì không?
Yes, cái này là hai con dao. These are two knives. And this is a frog. I don't know why it's in the kitchen. But
Ở dưới là ketchup
this
hả?
is ketchup and mustard, I guess.
Tương cà chứ, tương mù tạt hả? Hai con dao con lấy ra được không?
Yes, we could, of course, take out the knife.
Lấy ra chặt gì? Chặt con ếch hả?
Well, probably to cut the sausages or whatever. And as you can see up here, these are two sausages hanging from the ceiling. So now
Bên
we're
trên
going,
cũng có hai cái xúc xích nữa hả?
yes,
Con
we're
đang lấy gì
going
ra
to take
vậy?
this out. Well, you'll see when I take it out. Sorry, it's kind of hard.
Một cái tô hả?
Yes, it's a ball, more like a ball when we eat dim sum.
Một cái tô để ăn diềm sắm hả? Nó có một cái bánh bao bên trong.
Yeah, sorry, I wasn't shy open again.
Ha.
Okay, then.
Ok, con nghĩ bánh bao này bánh bao nhân gì? Xá xíu không?
Yeah, come wait. I think this is a meat thingy.
Con thích ăn bánh bao loại gì nhất?
I guess the type of bánh bao it is here.
Nhà hỏi con thích ăn bánh bao loại gì nhất?
Con nghĩ loại xá xíu. Okay, we're gonna turn to the other side. Sorry about that. It's not really could turn straight.
Ok, bên này thì có gì nào?
Here, this is some things to put your
Storage hả? Để bỏ
yes,
đồ vô hả?
storage.
Con nghĩ giống cái tủ lạnh không? Để con bỏ.
Nah, not really.
Ok.
It's just empty stuff.
Con có
Probably it is a fridge. It also kind of looks like it. Now we're out to here. Sorry, this might take a while. Surprise! There are two weapons. One chainsaw here. It's kind of dark, so I can't really see it. And a gun to fight the demons. We're out to here.
Cái này cái gì vậy?
Well, I'm pretty sure it's for adjusting things because we can turn it.
Nếu con lật qua bên này là để nướng xúc xích hả? Con lật bên mặt kia để làm gì? Nướng thịt hả?
Yes.
Sao con lật qua mặt kia này coi coi.
Okay, I'll turn on to the other side. Now, do it as this. So we can put the sausage in. It's kind of a little bit of space, so yeah, Holly, do anything.
Con có thể bỏ cái
There.
hot dog ngay bên cạnh trên bàn luôn hả? Dễ thương quá ha.
Yeah, you can also put the knife on there. There is another hidden thing here, and we have to open it from the other side, so
Wow,
yeah.
cái gì vậy?
This is a navigation, and this is a picture of the beach. I don't know what's for, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is for pressing buttons to do something.
Mẹ nghĩ cái này là giống như là định vị coi chừng nào mấy
Yes,
kẻ
this
xấu mới đến
is a
gần cái.
navigation, so we can see where's the demon, where are us, where are we? This tiny little dot there is us, and this big horny thingy is the demon. And that's all for the inside.
Wow, nó giống như là cái cánh thiệt ấy chứ, đóng lại luôn hả?
Yes, but I still forgot one thing, and it's on top. It is the piggy.
Ồ, con Piggy này là cái gì đây con? Trang trí thôi hả hay làm gì?
No, it's not for decoration. It's for fighting. Snort and grind. So, as you can see back here, there's a round thing so you can shoot it. Ow.
Ow, why you shoot yourself?
What? Just telling you.
Ow, ow, ow.
I love it. So will you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video I make. Bye.